Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can stamp on shapes on your videos or on your photos in the CapCut mobile app. So you're going to go to the text section here and you're going to scroll until you find the draw section. And as you can see, there's a lot of brushes in pattern. If you're on basic, just select the pattern tab. And I'm just going to slide it to the left. There's a lot of options. Here, as you can see, there's a lot of pro, but there's also a lot of free ones as well. I am going to select, for instance, the emoji one here. Select it, and I'm going to make the size super big, and you're just going to press it for a bit, then press it again on another spot, and you're just going to keep pressing it. It does show like similar stuff, so just go to like some other shapes and just press it. It is a little bit difficult to do if you're just stamping one thing. That one changes shape, so I don't know what happened with the other one, but you're just going to press it if you just want stamps. I'm just going to delete this one because I don't really like it. I don't know what this is. I think it's a frame one. Yeah, it's like a frame, but you're going to make the size super big if you want to just stamp like that. As you can see, whoopsies, I just like pressed on it and it just stamped the shape for me. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can stamp like the brushes. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!